Porket ikaw ang pinakamagaling tumugtog, feeling mo ikaw na ang sikat, ikaw ang pinakamaganda ang boses, pinakamagandang kumanta, akala mo ikaw na ang the best in the whole wide world. Ito na ang danger. Linika, perfect in beauty ng Panginoon, pero that same beauty, that same perfection, ang mismong naging cause para maging proud si Satan. Ingat lang po sa magandang dinagalo sa iyo ng Panginoon. Lahat ng maganda na tinatangkilik natin, finances natin, health natin, everything that is beautiful in us, God made it. Galing sa Panginoon yan. Gawa yan ng Panginoon. If you will be proud of that beauty, yan mismo ang ikakabagsak mo. But whatever were gains to me, I now consider loss for the sake of Christ. Si Satan, what's his fault? He was created beautiful by God, yet he became proud. Hindi niya inoffer ang kanyang beauty sa Panginoon. Apostle Paul created, birthed out beauty.